Are you looking for a single-story home here in the heart of Mission Viejo in a 55-plus community? Well, 28103 Espinosa might be the home for you. This cul-de-sac home is single-story, 2 bedrooms and a den, no interior steps, nicely prepared, ready for you to move right in. Let's check it out. Viewing 28103 Espinosa. For further information or to schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Orange County, California.